Hello guys, welcome to my new video. If you want to get business leads, I will help you with this video. First of all, I will show you a business directory website where you can view business leads details of a specific category and specific location. Just open your browser and visit the website www.yellowpages.com. Just type the business name in one box, and the target location or city name in the second box and press enter. You will see the results related to your search. Now I will show you how can you collect the data in an Excel sheet. Simply you just need to download and install a software. Its name is Yellow Pages Spider. Search for www.yellowpagespider.com on Google. On this website, you can just download the free trial of Yellow Pages Spider software. After the downloading is completed, just install and open the software. When you'll open the software, you will see that there are many directory websites here from different countries. Select any website from here, like I selected Yellow Pages, Canada's website. Now I will enter the business name, and the city name here, and press enter. As you can see, the results are listed here. Just click on the button, Get Data, and the results will start collecting in the form of a table. As you can see, the business leads have been successfully generated. When the data has been collected successfully, you can just export the results by clicking on the Export button. The data will be exported in the form of Excel file. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.